Hey guys, welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. For today's vlog, we have here seedlings of Anthurium Jenmanii, or commonly known as cardboard, here in our place. And we will be showing you how do we usually take care of these type of seedlings, because proven and tested guys, we already have one that was the smallest size available in a market, and napalaki namin siya na ganito. So if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag may bago kaming video. And if you are ready, let's begin! We have been flexing about this one last year pa. This is a pagoda cardboard, and we got this almost of the same size pa ng malunggay leaf. Pero wala na po yung mga dahon na yun. Ngayon dito guys, itong mga pinakamaliit na dahon na makikita natin sa baba is almost of the same size naman itong mga seedlings na nakuha namin from Mary and Ruben of Calapi, Bohol. So binigay niya po sa amin to. We got two, pero nabili lang po niya ito sa local na seller dito din sa Bohol guys. Nung time na yon, we think this one is the cheapest kasi nga 150 lang siya, kaso super liit. But then, yun lang yung kaya naming bilhin, kaya binili namin siya and napalaki namin siya ng ganito. Super nakaka-proud guys na makita mo na yung plant which was so small before is already this big na. Ganito na siya kalaki ngayon guys, and super far from how it looked like before. So, sobrang saya namin, and malaki na din yung pot na pinaglalagyan namin sa kanya. Ito naman is a lemon cardboard which came from Thailand. Nabili din po namin siya last year. Halos magkakapareho lang yung size ng dahon niya kasi ganun din siya nung nakuha namin. So, halos sabay-sabay lang din sila ng tubo. So, yan, cultured cardboard. Ito naman is a local propagation from seeds talaga. So, pinatubo nila yung mga seeds and then binibenta nila from 150 up to 250 siguro nung time na yon. So yung mga nakuha namin maliliit talaga. Don't be hesitant whenever someone is selling you of the same size guys. As long as you know how to let it grow, as long as you know how to take care of it, it will really grow guys, and hindi siya scam. Akala nga namin paglaki nun, iba talagang plant kasi hindi din kami sure how a cardboard looks like kapag baby pa. And now we have proven na that this is worth the wait. Pero itong mga seedlings na nandito guys, we really do not know what type of cardboard are they. We tried messaging the one na nagbenta sa kanila, pero hindi pa po siya nagre-reply. Eto kasi hindi siya naglalabas ng purple sa bagong leaves. Wala pa naman kaming nakikitang bagong leaves dito. Pero nung time na maliit pa din to guys, hindi purple yung bagong labas na leaf niya. So, hindi talaga kami sure. But for sure, we'll be updating you guys kapag nalaman na namin kung anong klaseng cardboard to. So, comment na din kayo down below if you have tried na magpalaki ng ganito. Simula talaga sa pinakamaliit. Ready na din yung gagamitin naming potting media. Meron kaming cocoa chips. Meron din kaming coconut fiber, tapos sa cashew leaves, and then some pounded eggshells guys for the calcium lang. Of course, maglalagay tayo ng coconut fiber. We chose to use pots of the same size and of the same color kasi pareho lang naman sila. Although, mas malaki tong isa guys, but still, we do believe na lalaki sila together. Ayan, just like this. Although mas malaki yung isa, syempre malaki-laki na din siya nung nabili namin. Compared to this one, this is really an achievement. Katulad din ng baby black cardinal namin na napalaki talaga namin from just really a sprout guys. So, sobrang nakaka-proud yung ganon na talagang sayo na lumaki yung plants. It's also an example guys of an achievement na nagawa namin dito sa garden na to. So for now guys, naglalagay siya ng coconut fiber sa bottom ng pot. Of course, we have to make sure na yung pot appropriate lang dun sa size ng itatanim naming plant. We have been stressing about that dati pa kasi nga mas maganda yung tubo ng plant kapag hindi masyadong malaki yung pot sa kanya and hindi din masyadong maliit. Yung katamtaman lang talaga and perfect for the size para makatubo siya ng maayos. Anything in excess is bad, even for plants. Yung cardboard guys, or generally anthuriums, they really love components dun sa potting media na merong charcoal. That's why we used carbonized trisols. Pero hindi namin dinamihan. Ginamit namin yung potting media for aroids from Aditha's Farm Supply. So yung mga ganito guys, kapag nag-mature na talaga yung parang pinaka-flower nila, doon sila tinutubuan ng seeds, and yun yung pwede nyong magamit for propagation. Although there are people who would choose to divide the plant itself, including the roots, para mapatubo, but etong mga ganitong type, pwede nyo ding ma-propagate. Although, it will take so much longer kasi sobrang tagal din naman mag-mature ng mga ganitong plants, guys. So, sa mga nagmamadali and they don't want to wait for the plant itself to mature, yun yung ginagawa nila. Dinedivide nila yung plant per dahon, tapos merong mga roots na ititira, of course, and yun na yung hinihintay nilang tumubo. We don't do that here kasi we have not propagated our cardboards yet, and still, mas gusto naming tingnan na parang ganito, na buo siya tingnan. Ayoko siyang tingnan na parang paisa-isa yung dahon. For aesthetic purposes na rin. Basta, for me, pleasing yung ganyang itsura ng cardboard compared dun sa nakatanim na per dahon. Ito naman, mas okay nga yung bumili ng mga maliliit from seeds kasi they will grow together. The leaves will grow together, guys. He is trying to uproot the first pot, guys, and this is how it looks like. Ito yung maganda dito kasi magaganda po talaga yung roots ng mga Anthurium Jenmanii, guys, or even yung ibang Anthuriums kasi matataba yung roots nila and mukhang sturdy. Ito, hindi na namin inalis yung pinagkakapitan niyang potting media before para, of course, hindi siya manibago dito sa pot na pinaglalagyan namin sa kanya ngayon. Tapos mag-a-add lang kami ng konting potting media, and this will be our first pot. Hindi din ako sure, guys, kasi hindi naman kami expert. Hindi ako sure kung ano yung pagkakakilanlan sa kanya, kung anong type ng cardboard siya kapag maliit pa. Siguro kapag malaki na, it would be easier for us to tell. Pero kapag maliliit pa, halos pareho siguro ng itsura. Lalo na kapag mas maliit pa kesa nito, yung mga malunggay pa lang yung itsura. Nako, even ako at first nagduda talaga ako nung dinala niya yung cardboard which is worth 150 na nandito. Sabi ko, lalaki ba talaga yan? Pero nasa sipag at tiyaga lang talaga yon. Sipag na mag-alaga. Of course, hindi sila pinapaulanan kasi syempre masyado pa silang bata and hindi namin sila ini-expose sa too much sunlight, baka masunog. Kahit pa paano, tinatry namin silang alagaan in the best way we can. So, we are now reaping the fruit of our labor kasi eto nga, napalaki namin siya. Yung naibigay ko talaga sa kapatid ko, hindi siya lumaki. And even yung kapatid nito na nandun sa cousin ko, I don't know what seems to be wrong dun sa kanila, guys. Pero sa amin, okay naman yung tubo. So, here it is. Tinatry din namin gawing compact. Although, alam naman namin na super okay yung irrigation na ginagamit naming potting media because we aren't using soil for this. Pero tinatry namin silang i-compact para hindi siya aalog-alog, lalo na kapag mahangin, guys, para hindi din maistorbo yung tubo niya. That's what we did dito sa cardboard na napalaki namin. It's really up to you, guys, kung paano nyo sila gustong palamihin kasi madaming ways on how to propagate these type of plants. It's either you root divide them or you cut the stem, or if you are patient enough, you wait for the seeds to come out para ma-propagate nyo. Para sa akin, malaki yung ROI ng nagwi-wait for the seeds to come out kasi mas madami talaga yung nilalabas na seeds, and yung mga ganito talaga, guys, kapag tinatanim mo sa seeds, marami po ang lumulusot. So, depende na din po yun sa pag-aalaga and sa environment. Mabilis pong tumubo yung mga seeds, guys. Even if you will be selling it for a lesser price, mas malaki siguro yung kita mo kasi sobrang dami po talaga ng seeds ng ganito, guys. We will try to grab some photos from the seller herself. Siyempre, magpapaalam din tayo kasi nag-post po siya na meron na naman siyang binibentang cardboard and meron siyang seeds, guys. So, talagang through seeds yung pagpapropagate na ginagawa niya. Malalaki na din kasi yung plants niya. She already started collecting plants even before pandemic pa siguro. Kaya malalaki na yung mga plants niya. And that's why most of them are ready for propagation or are already having seeds na pwede na niyang mabenta ngayon. Sobrang swerte nung mga nakapagsimula ng mag-alaga ng mga plants and nagkakaroon ng mga malaking plants nung time na umuso yung plants, guys. Kasi syempre, madaming bumibili ng plants and siguro madami din silang kinita. Nabawi din yung ginastos nila. For sure, hindi din naman mahal yung pagkabili nila ng plants before pandemic. If ever mahal man, hindi siguro aabot ng price kung magkano yung mga plants during those times na kasagsagan ng pandemic. Yung original seller of this cardboard, guys, nagbebenta po siya per seeds, parang 10 yata for 250 pesos. Hindi ka nalugi doon, lalo na kapag napatubo mo lahat. Siguro ilalagay mo lang sa seedling tray, and kapag napatubo mo talaga lahat, ang swerte-swerte mo na kasi super ganda din ng cardboards, guys. Ito talaga yung pinaka nakakaingit sa kanya, yung dahon niya na makakapal. That's why we were really inspired to get one kasi meron si mama nito and napalaki niya, guys. Super kapal ng mga dahon. Pero alam ko mahal na to before pa eh. Hindi lang ganun kamahal siguro, pero parang above 500, mga ganun na din yung price niya. Hindi man umaabot ng thousands, pero kapag ganung price na, tulad ng mga black cardinal nung time na yon, yung bili ni mama 800 pesos. Pero that was way before pandemic pa. Mamahalin talaga siya, and lalo pang nagmahal nung naging in demand na. First pot done, guys. Yung mga ganito nga pala, if naaalagaan ng maayos, or syempre kapag nagugustuhan din nila yung environment ko, talagang lumalaki po sila, and even up to 6 feet or more. Mahaba po talaga sila. Although parang dahon lang na walang stalk, kasi nakita na namin in person gano'n sila kahaba. So lumalaki talaga yung ganito. I do not know if they also live in the wild, but yeah, super beautiful.
Ayun naman ko itong kasi siya nga rin pagkatapos.
Syempre, bago naman to dumating sa ganito kalaki, dumaan po siya sa ganyan.
Yung maliit pa siya, malaki na talaga yung pot niya. Ganito na talaga. Kasi hindi pa namin alam yung mga pamamaraan kung paano gripat ng halaman. Lalo na kung maliit pa.
Yes, I do agree with that. We have been through that phase, guys. That's why we are sharing to you kung ano yung mga natutunan namin day by day, from time to time, lalo na nung napapalaki na namin yung mga plants. Before talaga hindi namin alam na mas okay pala sa plants na kapag mas maliit din yung pot niya. Akala namin kapag sobrang laki ng pot, sobrang laki din ang itutubo niya. But then we came to realize na hindi pala dapat ganun. So ngayon na natututo na kami, we are trying to share with you what we have learned along this gardening journey that we are in. We are moving on to the next pot, which is this one. Etong mga ganitong pot din, guys, appropriate lang din dun sa size niya. So, magugustuhan din niya yan. That's why it's still thriving and lumalaki siya. Wow, meron siyang soil. Meron siyang soil yata. Tapos, nakaganyan, napaliko pa yung root niya. Kasi nga, matataba tong root ng Anthurium Jenmanii, guys. Sobrang liwanag. Grabe. It's around 3 p.m. Ganito kaliwanag, guys. Hindi ko alam kapag nag-i-edit na kung anong magiging itsura ng video na to. Kasi sobrang liwanag talaga. Talong-talo ang ring light. This is how the roots look like. Ayan. Sobrang rooted na niya. Maybe guys, if you have a cardboard of this size, tapos ganito kalaking pot lang din yung gagamitin mo, mas mabilis yung pagtubo niya. Kasi mas makaka-focus yung nutrients dun sa pagpapalaki instead of pagpapadami ng roots. So, mas madali sigurong tumubo. If we have learned about that earlier, we will be doing the same thing. Pero wala na tayong magagawa. But at least lumaki siya. It may not be that fast, but still, it's something that is worth celebrating. O, yung mga ganyang size siguro yung perfect sa ganyang pot. Kasi mas malaki yan. I'll just give you a closer look kung ano yung itsura ng ginamit naming potting media, guys. Yung mga white na makikita nyo, eggshells po yan. So, yun lang yung dapat yung tandaan. Choose a pot that is appropriate for its size. Mas maganda din yung may charcoal. And of course, do not be hesitant when it comes to the size. Especially if yun lang yung afford nyo. Huwag kayong matakot na bumili ng mga cardboard na propagated through seeds, guys. Kasi lalaki din po yan eventually with proper care. And of course, patience lang talaga. Patience is a virtue. So, after that one, I'll get to see you when we get right into the montage. So hey guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for making it till the end of this video. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you'll be notified pag may bago kaming video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!